Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. This is a programming tutorial. As you can see on your screen right now, this is the program that we are going to make it a software that we can be using it. Actually, this is the program that I'm using right now to record this session. As you can see, I'm using this data or Kinta something, whatever you. It is a program to record your screen, and we are going to make it from this Python code to a software that you can be using without opening this code. Of course, you can use it by learning it here, and it will open this panel. But sometimes you don't want to open Visual Studio, you want to open it as a software, as I have opened it right now. So what you are going to do is to just paste this code. I'm going to paste it in the comment section. Sorry, I did copy it here, this code, and copy it on your terminal. As you can see here, it is extracting this screen recorder.py, but as you can see here, my program is screen.py on Python. So I'm going to change that and edit it here. Now, as you can see, it is PyInstaller, one file, and console icon. This is the icon that I will be using. This icon, as you can see here, it has an icon, and it is this icon here. You want it to do its work using this icon, and just like that, now you can learn it like that. I don't know if it is going to interfere with my recording, and it has not. If it is your first time to do this, it will have a lot of program, it will write a lot of code here. It will take like 1 minute or 2 minutes depending on your processor. So that is it. As you can see here, it have saved my file to this folder here. This folder, if you open that folder, you can just copy the folder, like for example, and copy it here, copy, or you can actually click on it like that, no, and just paste it here. And as you can see, it have generated this screen.exe. This folder, it is because that I'm using it to save my recordings. As I can open, you can see that my recordings are being saved. This is the one that I'm recording right now. So that is it. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any question, and please consider sharing this tutorial to your friends. So that is it. Thank you. See you till next time. Bye.